Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing, first impressions, and review. I purchased my first ever item from Bottega Veneta, and I wanted to open it on camera with you guys so we can see it together. I can tell you guys more about the item, my honest thoughts, opinions, and all of that. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started though, make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, anything that's on your mind after watching today's video. Comment it down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we got into the video, I just wanted to address today's look real quick. I still have in my butterfly locks. They are, what's today's date? What today is? Today is the 15th. So these are a month and a half strong. I did get them retwisted last week if you guys watched my vlog from last week, but they still looking good. Okay, my hair is growing and we're here for that. My earrings are from ASOS. I purchased these a while ago, so I don't know if they're still available. My lashes are the style Blake from Minx by May, a black owned lash business. My lippy is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream in Fenty Glow, and then I just have on this little tank top from Zara. So that's today's look. Real cute, real effortless. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, the reason why you guys are all here. So on August 8th 2021 was my 3-year YouTube anniversary. Yay! And I wanted to treat myself. Whenever I have big wins, small wins, I always want to make sure that I celebrate myself, that I spend time with myself, that I just make myself feel good about whatever it is that I accomplish, whether it be small, whether it be big. I just want to make sure that I know that I celebrated myself, okay? Because I celebrate everyone around me. We usually celebrate everyone around us, and sometimes we tend to forget to celebrate ourselves. So I wanted to make sure this year 2021 is a year of celebrating all of my wins, period. So yeah, my 3-year YouTube anniversary, I wanted to get myself a gift. As you guys know, if you guys have been watching my vlogs on my channel, if you guys don't, I'll link the playlist up above. I have been working on curating my fall wardrobe. Fall is my favorite season, and I'm not going on any more vacations for the time being, so I was like, let me invest my coins into my fall wardrobe so I can get these looks together, okay? So the item that I purchased is a pair of boots that I wanted for quite some time now, and I just figured that what better time to purchase it than a time where I'm celebrating myself, and I could just treat myself to something and not feel bad about it, you know what I'm saying? Because I am saving right now. I mean, I've been saving, but y'all know I've been trying to save. So I was like, let me just spend this on myself. It shouldn't be a problem, right? So the item that I purchased is from the brand Bottega Veneta, and I do want a pair of heels from them, but at the same time I wanted to build like my boot collection more since fall and winter are coming. So let's go ahead and unbox she. Okay, so here we are on my bed with the beauty. This is the green box that it comes in. This is the standard Bottega Veneta box for their shoes, and it's just such a pretty box, right? So on the box you have the side with the information, the item purchased, and I did purchase this pair from Saks, which we're gonna get into in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. So inside we do have 2 dust bags that say Bottega Veneta on them. Dust bags are perfect, especially if you are traveling with an item. I always use my dust bags, so we have these, and then the moment of truth, guys. So this is my item. These boots, these are the Bottega Veneta Tire Chelsea boot in the sea salt and black colorway. I think that these are super gorgeous. Like, oh my god, they look so freaking good. You guys see this? Can you guys see this? They look so freaking good. I love them. They give me like a Bratz boot, like a chunky Y2K type vibe, but I absolutely love these boots so freaking much. So yeah, these are the boots that I got. I absolutely love them. As I mentioned, these are the Bottega Veneta Tired Chelsea boot in the sea salt and black colorway. These are really, really cute. I did get these in a size 38.5, which is my usual size. They do come in whole and half sizes. So when shoes come in whole and half sizes, they usually run true to size. But when shoes only come in whole sizes, that's when it's tricky, because it's like, do I size up or do I size down? So, and I didn't go in store to try these on before I bought them. I just bought my standard size, and I did look at reviews online, and everyone said get your true size, don't go up, don't go down, and they were absolutely right. So I tried them on with no socks so far, and I did have extra room, which is perfect for me because I do plan on wearing them with socks. So when I put socks in, I feel like they're going to be the perfect size. The one thing that I will say, like my first impressions of this boot, is that they do, I don't know if you guys can see, they do crease easy. Like all I did was try them on and we already have some creasing, but I personally don't mind that. I just wanted to point that out in case, you know, you guys want to know. These boots are made of leather, so this is like a nice cream off-white leather color. So I'm kind of nervous about it, but they fire, so I was like, I have to get this colorway. The black was also my backup option, but I already have my black Chloe boots, so I was like, I don't want to have 2 pairs of black boots before I start building my closet. You know what I'm saying? Like once I get to that point where it's like, okay sis, you got a boot that could go with almost everything, then I feel like I can go ahead and start doubling up. But right now I'm like, I need different colors, I need different styles in my closet, so I just had to. So these boots come in a whole bunch of different colorways. They have a whole bunch of different ones that have the black body and like the colored sole. So I'll go ahead and put a picture here of Cardi B. She had on the black and it was like a lime green color. But the same day that she posted that was the same day that I was like, let me go ahead and place my order, because if Cardi B sell these boots out, me and her finna have beef, okay? So just to give you guys some more details on these boots, they are described as a classic Chelsea boot, gets a fashion forward update with a transparent lugged sole border by a wavy rubber midsole reminiscent of tire tread. Made from vegetable tan cowskin leather, and mid-calf silhouette is eased by elastic gores and longer pull tapes. The heel is 2.5 inches. The platform is 1.5 inches. And they have these pull on tabs, so these tabs help you like get into the boots. I don't use them because I tend to always break these things, so I just went ahead and pushed my foot in and it was fine. I did want to say that. And as I mentioned, I did get these boots from Saks. This specific pair is from Saks. But let me tell y'all what I did, because if y'all know me, I'ma do what needs to be done. So I purchased these from Saks, but I'm actually going to return this pair because my size came back in stock on Nordstrom, and I prefer to buy all of my designer items from Nordstrom if they have it, because Nordstrom's return policy and Nordstrom's customer service is just way better than Neiman Marcus, way better than Saks to me personally. So I just prefer to have an item from Nordstrom so that if I have to return, exchange, or any of that, they got me. So if you guys are in the market to buy any designer items, whether it be these boots, another pair of boots, a shirt, a sweater, a headscarf, or glasses, if Nordstrom has it, get it from Nordstrom. And Nordstrom also carries more brands and more items in their physical stores. So I know, like for instance, they sell like Chanel sunglasses in the store but not on their website. So if there is a Nordstrom near you, then I would highly recommend to go in store and see their selection, because Nordstrom is lit, okay? This is not sponsored. I just love me some Nordstrom. If you guys watch my YouTube channel, you guys have seen that I've been shopping on Nordstrom for years. I've been shopping in Nordstrom since I was a sophomore in college. Like, Nordstrom is my jam. I love Nordstrom. If y'all want to sponsor me, Nordstrom, y'all can sponsor me, but I love me some Nordstrom. So yeah, so this pair specifically is going back to Saks, but my pair from Nordstrom should be here within the next 3 days, so okay. But yeah, I plan on wearing these boots a lot this fall season. I don't plan on wearing them when it's raining outside or when it's snowing outside. These are definitely boots for dry weather, so I will say that too. But I'm really excited to show you guys how I style these boots, how I wear them time and time again. The price of these boots were $1,200 plus tax, so they were kind of pricey. But as I told you guys, I didn't feel guilty about it because I knew that I was celebrating myself. But on Nordstrom, these boots were $12.50. So I definitely emailed them and I said, hey, here's a screenshot of the average market price of $1,200. Run me my $50 back. Okay, so if you ever purchase anything from Nordstrom and they are cheaper on another website or cheaper on the brand's website, you can email customer service and they do price adjustments as well. Once again, not sponsored, but Nordstrom, if y'all want to cut me that check, y'all can cut me that check. Okay, so yeah, these are my new babies. Oops, wrong side. So these are my new babies. Let me get a cute little so whether you clicked on this video to be nosy and see what I purchased, or if you clicked on this video because you guys are interested in getting these boots, I highly recommend these boots. They are great quality. The prices, I feel like the prices are as expensive compared to other like designer boots on the market, which is another reason why I was like, let me just go ahead and spend a coin. I'm celebrating myself and I'm getting myself a good quality pair of boots that I know is going to last me a lifetime. I can pass them down to my daughter or my son because these are unisex boots as well. So yeah, I'm like, I'm gonna get my wears out of these boots. My kids gonna get their wear out of these boots when they get here. But yes, I'm really excited about this purchase, really satisfied about this purchase. These are the first pair of boots that I've purchased for my 2021 fall wardrobe. So if you guys enjoyed this review, if you guys like these boots, if y'all like the unboxing, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts or opinions on these boots, about anything included in today's video. Do y'all shop on Nordstrom? Am I the only one who be shopping on Nordstrom? Let me know down below, okay? So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this first impression, this unboxing and this initial review. Make sure you guys tune into my vlogs because I will be giving you guys more looks on these boots. Also, I do plan on doing like a fall lookbook, so you guys will see like different ways that I plan on styling these boots. So look forward to that content here on my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all are subscribed, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these boots. Let me know what boots are on your wish list for this fall season, whether it be a designer item or not. Comment and let me know. I'm always on the market for some new boots. One thing about Kensthetic is she love her boots, okay? So comment down below and let me know. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later.